Good day, everyone. Um, Welcome to my online class, whereby I will be talking about how you can use this following command in Excel. How you can make use of this command in Excel. What are those commands that I'm talking about? How can we make use of count, count all, and count black? How do we make use of this command in Excel? Now, so let's see. When you say count, what does it do? It counts only the numbers. Only the numbers. So can we see? It counts only the number. Let's see. So look at this. Look at this. We want to use count now. For the first one, using count. Now what do? You don't need to count many formula. What you just type your is equal to, then count. Can you see? It will bring it. Just double click on it. Can you see? Once you double click on it, even though if you select everything, let me select the number first. Let me see what will give us. The numbers. Can you see? We get 60. Now let's see. Even though if I select, let me just cancel that. I select everything here. Example here. Can you see? Sorry. If I say it's equal to count, it's equal to count. So I now select, starting from here. Can we see? It will still give me the same thing because this one recognize only numbers. It recognizes only numbers. So now let's see now. See, let's use it for alphabet now. And see, it's equal to count. Now let's see. Let me use the same thing alphabet now. Let me see. Let's see what it will give me. It will give us. Can we see? It give us what? Can you see? Hey, I use sorry. The number I choose the number as well. It give us but let's see. If you use it for alphabet, I mean, is equal to count. Now let me choose alphabet now. Right now, let's see what it will give us. Alphabets now. Can we see? It gives 0. It gives zeros. Now let me now choose for both. I believe we get what I'm saying. Count. See, for both now, let's see, for both alphabet and numbers. So it recognizes only numbers. 60. So that is on count. So the next one is on count all. On count all. That means this count all will not count only the numbers. It will not count only the alphabet. It counts both numbers and alphabet. It counts both numbers and alphabet. So how do we do it? You can say you don't need to memorize formula. Just is equal to count. It will bring it. Once you bring it, double click on it. Exactly now. Once you double click on it, go and select what you want the Excel to count. What you want to count. Now this one I'm counting all. I say count all. We count both numbers and what? An alphabet. Let's first count numbers first. What do we do? Numbers. How many? The numbers there that we have here is what? Only numbers now. We have 60. So the next one is counting alphabets. We count alphabets. What we have for alphabets? So we have what? What you say? It's called count. Oh, sorry. I choose count. Can you see the mistake? It's supposed to be what? Count A. Count all. Count all. Can we see? That should be our formula. Count all. Can we see? 45. Can we see? So let me do it again. Let me do that one again. So this you can see that it can be very clear. Count all. Count is equal to count all is equal to count A. So I'm selecting the numbers, the alphabet rather. Let's see how many alphabet that we have here. Can we see? 45. So why the numbers we have was 60. So count both numbers and what? An alphabet. And let's see how do we count the both numbers and alphabets. So we are going to select both of them. We have it like this. Is equal to count all both numbers and alphabets. Both numbers and alphabets, you can see. So what would that give us? That gives us 105. Are we seeing that? I believe we get that. For alphabet, this one now, count all was able to count both of them. So depending on what you are doing, so they determine which command you are going to use. So we are considering counting both alphabet and numbers. You make use of what? Of count all. But we are considering counting only the numbers. You make use of what? Of count. You are considering counting only the letters. You make use of what? So you select the what? The now let's see. Next thing is count blank. Count blank. Count blank. So select the what? The letter. I want. So now let's see. Count black. What is the meaning of count black? Count black. That means this one we count only blank space. So it's equal to counts. This count only blank space. Count blank. Can you see? Count blank. Can we see? So now let's see. Let me select the number. This one, that number. Let me select numbers. Let's see what is going to give. What should they give me? What do you suggest? Do you have any blank here? Blank means empty space. Do you have any empty space here? No. So let's see what we are going to have. 0. Now the next one is under the alphabet. Under the alphabet column. Sorry, I wrote column. Counts all. Under the alphabet column. So let's see what we are going to have there. So we have count all. I'm selecting the alphabet now. Let's see what are we going to have. We have count blank. Sorry, how am I making mistakes? It's equal to count blank. Count blank. So I'm selecting the what? I'm selecting the alphabet now. Count blank. So it give me 0. Can we see? So let me now select both alphabet and numbers. Let's see what it's going to give us. So count blank is equal to count blank. So now let's see. Let's select it. We're going to have what? Have it right down. Select it. So what is it going to give us? 0. Now let's see whether if we have blank there, what will be our answer. Now let's see. We have, let me just under the numbers, and let me just put some blank there. Let me remove this one. Go and check. We have 1. That is under what does it show? Under what number? We have what? 1 blank. Okay, let me go to other letters. Let me remove this. Another one. Let me remove this. So let me see. We have how many blank now? Under alphabet, there are 2 blank, 2 empty space. Can you see 1, 2? It's choose here. Okay, so total number of blank now give us what? 3. If I may remove more blanks, I'm going to be seeing, because I've done that. Can we see? It's going to be showing. So that means there are 4 blanks space under what? Under alphabet. If I remove more under this, so we have this like this. Can we see? So we have total number of blank that we have for 6. I hope this video is clear. So thank you. So please subscribe to my channel so that you can always get more of this kind of video. So thank you.